What's good, everybody? Bert Speed, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to replace any database you want with a MySQL database. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and start with downloading Xampp. So Xampp is gonna be the tool you're gonna use to study Apache server and run the port, okay, and open the port. So if you don't have Xampp, you're gonna have to do download Xampp like this with a double P, okay, and you have it here, and you click this link, and hopefully it opens quickly, okay. And here you get the window, you got Windows, you got the Linux, you got Mac OS and everything. I'm on Windows, and 158 MB. You click here to download it, okay. Normally you just click and download, but in my case I already have it, so I'm not gonna download it. Let me just find it here. Xampp, right here. All right, see here I have my Xampp. So all you get, it's very simple. All you gotta do is just double click, click next, and hopefully you get it done. But let me just show you how it's done. Something the same, doesn't seem to be important, so you just click next. Mine is already installed, so they're telling me it's not empty, but anyway, let's just okay, it seems like I can't force it to go ahead, but there's really nothing complicated about this. So all you just gotta do is just click next and next, okay. After that, you are going to open Xampp, okay. Don't forget that, because this is very important. You're gonna have to type Xampp, and now you click open, okay. When you open it, it wouldn't be just like this for you. It's gonna be like this for you, okay. So you got the Apache server here, you got the MySQL database here, I mean the MySQL module here, and you got all the other stuff. So in order for you to be able to go into the phpMyAdmin and create a database, first of all, you just have to open those two. You gotta click start on the first one and start on the second one. So notice here the port it's running on is 3302. Yeah, that's all you need. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna type localhost, okay, localhost. You don't need anything, I just type localhost. And after that, after coming to the localhost, look here on the top right corner here, you got phpMyAdmin. So phpMyAdmin, click on it, it opens, and on the left hand side you got the databases. So suppose I'm gonna create a new database. Let me just call this database the database, very original. So I click, and the database has been created. The name of the database is the database. You can see it right here as well as here. And now we got the database, and you have nothing inside, okay. Suppose you want to use this database into your Django project. So what do? I'm gonna go into programming, to Python, into Django, into Postgres, because in here I'm using a Postgres database. So once again, I'm gonna open my VS Code, and I'm just gonna drag and drop that folder. Drag and drop it just like this. And here, what we have is I already have I have a model, and the model name is customer. I mean, the customer has a name, and he has a name, and he has age, okay. That's all it has. And if I go to the settings, okay, in the settings you can see here that we are using a Postgres database, and we would like to replace it with a MySQL database. So in order for me to do that, I have this little thing here. I'm gonna put it in the description. I'm just gonna copy and paste it here, just like this, copy paste. And here now the engine is gonna be instead of Postgres, it's gonna be MySQL, just like this, okay. So this is gonna be changed, and here you enter the name of the database. The name of the database here is the database. So I'm gonna come here and type the database like this. The host is gonna be home. I mean local host, and the port is gonna be, if you remember, if you don't remember, it's here. The port is here, 3302 right here, just like this. So the username, the username is the username is root. Okay, unless you changed it by yourself, it should be root. Okay, so naturally it comes with that. Here the password is empty. Okay, I think if we come here, yeah, here you can see that the username is root. Okay, is the root at localhost. Okay, so that's what we got here, and then we got to save this. And as you can see, there's absolutely nothing here. The structure, there's no table found in database. Okay, so what we're gonna do here now is we are going to make the migrations and migrate it. But seems like usually when you change databases, you can't make migration, you can just migrate. So I'm just gonna do Python -py migrate. Okay, it told me here something. Is not set for database connection default. Anyway, that's not important. Okay, so normally since we get the customer here, we should be having the customer on the other side too. So let me just refresh this and see. Yeah, see that? Now we get these are Django based thing, the auth group of blah blah blah. But these are Django, and here you got base customer. Okay, base customer. Don't let the name trick you, because here we got the app name is base, so it takes the name of the app and underscore the name of the model. So here you got here base underscore customer, and you get the ID that comes automatically with Django. You don't have to set it. It comes automatically with it, and you get the name and the age. All right, so this is the way you switch databases. Yeah, this is it. I hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.